In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the volume on Zoom, an incredibly useful skill whether you're working, learning, or simply catching up with friends and family virtually. Let's dive right into it and enhance your communication experience. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to zoom.com. This is the platform's home base for all your account settings and configurations. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your credentials at the ready. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Now, after clicking your profile icon, you'll find an option labeled Web App. Select it. This will take you to a page where you can manage various Zoom functionalities right from your browser. Once the app has loaded, again look towards the top right corner for your profile icon and give that another click. In the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to want to click on Settings. This option is crucial because it's the gateway to customizing your Zoom experience to meet your personal needs. Now that you're in the settings, find the Audio tab and click on it. This section controls how audio behaves during your Zoom calls. Within the audio settings, you will see a tab titled Volume. This is where all the action happens. Here you have the option to adjust the output level. If you've been experiencing issues hearing other participants clearly, or if you simply prefer a higher volume, this is the spot to make that change. Simply slide the volume control to the right to increase the output level. Make sure your speakers are turned on and functioning, so you can test whether the volume is to your liking as you make these adjustments. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you should be able to increase the volume on Zoom to better suit your hearing preferences, ensuring no crucial detail or witty anecdote goes unheard in your next meeting or gathering. Remember, adjusting your volume settings can make a significant difference in your overall Zoom experience, enhancing both clarity and engagement. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your digital tools and applications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.